Hi traders, do you think there is a trade here on the GBPUSD 1 hour time frame? And if you think there is, which direction should you be taking this in? And what should be your trade management? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master of the Markets team today and helping us spread the truth of trading and helping you achieve consistent performance. It is still Upon here, founder of Master of the Markets, A-Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. Right, so in this live trading session video, let's see if we do have a trade on cable here. First of all, let's take a look at the daily time frame over here. This is a downtrend. The only thing we got to be cautious of is just the number of days that has passed for this today's bar here from the top to the bottom move over here. Now, usually what we look at and specialize in is understanding and first quantifying tops and bottoms is what we do with our smart money indicator, and also then studying what is the distance that takes for a top to bottom to turn around to become a bottom to top. And also we understand and analyze the number of time, okay, number of days, number of weeks it takes before this will turn around. As you know, nothing can keep going in a straight line. After a while, it will start to turn unless it's a very, very strong trend. Okay, so over here on GBP USD daily, you can see over here until today that it's been 22 days, so quite a long time, and it took a long time also to confirm this bar. So I would say open equity is diminishing and a higher probability that this will start to turn.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
However, because we are looking to just trade for the day itself, so therefore, we will look into the BRO, the bigger range from the open, and also the stretch as well. So if you take a look at over here, from the open over here, we will look at the bigger range from the open that it has done. So it's more towards the short side over here. Okay, so we'll be looking at a short trade over here because it's gone past the lower stretch line over here. And the other thing that we'll look into traders to see if we really have a trade or not is look at the range. So you see yesterday's ATR, I'm just reading this number here. Yesterday's ATR was 117. So if I were to do a 0.8 ATR over here, so that would be 0.8 times. So let's do the previous day's bar is 117. So that would be 93.6. Now let's take a look at the range of today's bar, which is this one, which is forming over here. The bar range is already over here. As you can see, this was designed by one of our Vedanta Elite clients. That is already 103 pips. Okay, so you can see that it's already formed its range. So today we won't be taking any trade on this. Now, some of you might be saying, oh no, why am I not taking? I want to take a trade. Remember, if you want to take a trade, but according to this instrument, there is no trade at all today. So we take a step back. Remember, preserving your profits is important. You keep waiting like a strong predator for the right trade opportunities. Now, if you do want to increase your frequency, take a look at more instruments. Okay, that's what you can do on one particular strategy. That's the way to increase the frequency. Right, so that's to do that one here. Now, if you want to check out more of this kind of videos, go to our YouTube channel actually. So if you go to our YouTube channel here, youtube.com youtube.com/master the markets. You can watch our whole live trading video series where we'll explain all the different types of topics in terms of stretch and BRO, which was introduced as the opening range breakout strategy by Toby Crable, a big institutional hedge fund manager. So you can see over here all the 173 trading videos that we have actually put all together. The backend team have kindly put it all together, so you can watch all of this and really learn tons and tons and tons of information from here. Okay, and also another thing what you can also do is go to our Trader Starter Pack and get our 5-day video course for free, which is taught by institutional quant traders collated with over 12 years of institutional quant research. Okay, so definitely worth taking a look at all of that. All right, that's all from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.